बारबाडोस वापस जाते हैं, 2024 वर्ल्ड कप खत्म हुआ
जी।
उसके बाद में डिड यू एवर थिंक दैट यू विल गेट अ कॉल सेइंग दैट यू आर गोइंग टू बी द कैप्टन ऑफ इंडिया?
ऐसा तो मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे रोहित भाई कैप्टन थे और वाइस कैप्टन आई थिंक हार्दिक वाज वाइस कैप्टन एट दैट टाइम। तो आप यही सोचते हो कि अगर रोहित भाई ने स्टेप डाउन कर दिया है टूर्नामेंट जीत के, तो इट विल बी समवन एल्स हु विल बी टेकिंग दैट रोल।
करेक्ट।
सो वी वेटेड फॉर अ फ्यू डेज, तो हम सीरीज जाने वाले थे। उसके बाद देयर वाज अ टाइम व्हेन जय भाई, secretary BCCI at that time, called me 3-4 days before the Sri Lanka series. Yeah, I think we went to Sri Lanka. Correct. He called me and he told me that हम आपको going forward captain बना रहे T20 टीम का.
He called you first.
Yeah, he called me और फिर उन्होंने बोला कि हम आपको कैप्टन कर रहे हैं, but मुझे पूरा श्योर था कि it was all being planned by रोहित भाई, अजित भाई दैट टाइम, एंड देन गौती भाई तो बाद में लेट आए। इन सब ने, और इवन राहुल द्रविड़ सर कोच थे एट दैट टाइम, उन्होंने जय भाई के साथ सबने आराम से बात किया होगा और फिर देन दे डिसाइडेड दैट गोइंग फॉरवर्ड आई थिंक ही शुड लीड इंडिया। But then Jay Bhai called me, I think 3-4 days before we were leaving for Sri Lanka.
Yeah. But throughout your career, Jay Shah has been very supportive. As BCCI secretary, he has been extremely supportive. How, and he has backed you consistently, and he continued to back you now. How, as an administrator, how does he deal with players and with the captain?
I think he's very straightforward. He talks to all the players the same way they want him to talk to them. Because every character is very different in the team. So you have to treat everyone the different way. You can't be talking to everyone in the same way. So anytime he meets me, he tells me and everyone that whenever we've met or he's met people around me and we are standing in a group, he's always told that I've been following this boy from 2010, 2011, since he made his Ranji Trophy debut. So he's been following me for a very, very long time. And then when I made my debut for India, I had messaged him also because he was a secretary, BCCI secretary that time, that thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. And then from there on, every time he's spoken to me, he's been very, very positive. All the positive chats. That's all the positive chats which he does. I think those are the best with all the players.